3-point attempt.
Ayaw. Raymar Jose, good position inside. Yes, they will keep it. Bagsak ang front row.
May bagsak. May tao ba tinamaan doon? Oo.
Meron.
May pinagsakan si Semeron.
Di umubra. Alalo on the move. Elga reaching. Good shoot of Tolero. Catching him.
You watch it right here. Ito si Gio. Tawa. Conchito ni Tolero.
For defensive purposes. Ringo up and away. Niluwa. Taharo. Elorte no. Oh, jump shot with a big board, but then it's broke free.
Nobody wants it, everybody wants it. Underneath the basket chance for Global. Walang pumasok. Yan, isa. Ito, Elorte, dalawa.
Nagpapik pa si Taha dun eh.
Ito, nakagulog yung ball.
Hindi magawa yung pantalon.